Queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you guys another human hair headband wig option. Y'all see me? This is so cute. I'm so excited because this is from Supernova Hair, and this is my first time working with them, so shout out to you, Supernova Hair, for sending me out this unit so I can show all of my homegirls what you have popping over with your company. They also sent me this headband, and y'all know I love a headband, okay? And this one is a sparkle headband. It's a multicolored sparkle headband. It's so pretty and I really love it. But before we get into the headbands, because they gave me quite a few to try, let's talk about this wig. So this wig is a 16-inch curly headband wig with 180% density. I love that this is a nice little bob. I haven't tried one this length yet with human hair, so I'm definitely liking that. I do want to let you guys know that the cap size is big head friendly, okay? It does come with that adjustable strap that I showed you earlier in the video, so you do have room to kind of wiggle around and get it fitted to your head size. Now it does come with combs, but they're more like clamps. You unhook them and then hook them back. They're not as big as the standard wig comb, but they're smaller. They're going to be easier to conceal, and they come with about 4 of those. This is 180% density, so she's real full. Like, whoo girl. Length is just right. This is definitely good if you want a work friendly headband wig. All my working queens, what's good? Now, like I said, they gave me a couple of headbands. I have the first one on, and the first one is a sparkle headband. I'm gonna take it off really quickly so I can show you guys what it looks like. So they also gave me a scarf to try, and they gave me 3 other headbands. So we're gonna try a few of these now. Alright, so here's the first one. I'm trying to style my headbands a little bit different. This is like a satin scarf. I have it tied with a little bow on the side, and I have it pushed back. And this is what this one looks like. Alright, so here is the yellow headband, and I feel like yellow headbands just bring out the best in everybody. They're always super bright and pretty, and I think that this might be one of my favorite headband colors just because they just pop like boop. What do y'all think? And here is the burgundy headband. Real nice and cute. I like that. I feel like this would be cute in like a high ponytail. So queens, I am going to add this to my human hair playlist and tag it above. And of course, I'm back in the multicolored headband because this is my favorite. But what I want to know is which one is your favorite. So leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about this look and which headband you like the best. And I will talk to you queens very soon. Again, one more shout out to Supernova Hair. Thank you guys for sending me out this wig, and I will talk to you queens soon. Bye ladies.